A business operations manager is concerned that a PC that is critical to business operations will have a costly hardware failure soon. The manager is looking for options to continue business operations without incurring legal costs. Which of the following would mitigate the manager's concerns? A. Implement a full system upgrade. B. Perform a physical to virtual migration. C. Install uninterruptible power supplies. D. Purchase cybersecurity insurance. Answer: B. The best answer to this question is B. Perform a physical to virtual migration. By migrating the physical PC to a virtual machine, the organization can create a backup of the system that can be easily moved to another machine in case of a hardware failure. This would mitigate the concerns of the business operations manager by allowing the organization to continue business operations without incurring large costs. Implementing a full system upgrade, A, may not be necessary if the PC is still functional and only a hardware failure is anticipated. Additionally, a full system upgrade could be costly and time-consuming. Installing uninterruptible power supplies may help to prevent data loss during power outages, but it may not address the concern of a potential hardware failure. Purchasing cybersecurity insurance, D, is a risk management strategy for potential cyber incidents, but it does not directly address the concern of a potential hardware failure. Therefore, the best answer is B. Perform a physical to virtual migration.